Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be taking a look at checkbox and input, checkbox input and radio button input. Most times people confuse it between checkbox and radio button. They don't know actually the difference and how it works and what they do. It's a very simple code to write when you want to create a checkbox or input using just HTML. Yes. So radio button is a type of graphical user interface element that allows the user to choose one option from a set. Only one radio button in a group can be selected at a time, while in checkbox is a type of graphical user element that allows the user to select one or more options from a set. Multiple checkboxes in a group can be selected at the same time. So the difference between a checkbox and an in radio button is that you select one radio button at a time, but in checkbox you can select multiple checkboxes at a time. You can select everything, you can select two at once, you can select three at once in an option, but in radio button you can select only one at a time. So this is a simple code, a simple HTML code. It shouldn't take us more than 5 minutes or thereabout to finish it. I will be fast with it, so follow along as we try to code this out. It will be very quick. So first I'll be starting off with my first tag element, which is the font tag. So I'll just put a H2 element. So we'll do the radio button first, so we can see what we are doing. Yes. So the first thing you want to do is you add your input button. So it has switched it to a radio button. You can use whatever you want for the value. It doesn't really matter. Let's use HTML. So we'll multiply this, but before that we need to put a line break. So as you can see, you select one button at a time. This is what radio button looks like. You can style it however you like. If you want the radio to move to the front, you can do that. If you want to change the color as you click, you can as well style it to give you that. So the next one we'll be doing is the checkbox. For the checkbox, we'll start with label. Yeah, let's do it like a car. So label 4 is checkbox 1. Let's do it like car. So for the input, for input type is checkbox. So then ID, name, checkbox, then value, this. So multiply this into 3. So we change this to like a train, and this like a box. So the value will be car, train, so for the checkbox, like I mentioned earlier, you can select multiple buttons, but for the radio button, you select one at a time. You can as well style it anyhow you want to style it, but this is simple HTML code that shows you how to code the checkbox and the radio button. When you look at this, you notice that the major difference is changing the type from radio to checkbox, and this helps to specify or inform the HTML of what you're trying to do. So thank you very much for joining today. I hope with this quick video of mine, you've been able to understand how coding out the radio button and checkbox works in HTML. See you on the next one. Bye.